Kitchen sinks and why they clog, how they clog, and ways that you can remedy it to keep them flowing. But we'll get back to that. I got a sandwich here from Fry's in Conway, so I'm going to eat that first, and then we're going to get back to describing kitchen sink clogs and how they could possibly be prevented. Fry's in Conway, New Hampshire, a great place to get a sandwich. Kitchen sink clog cleared.
Yes!
We keep New Hampshire flowing. So kitchen sinks and why they can back up so much. Believe it or not, a lot of it is modern conveniences and not enough water being flushed down the pipe. A lot of these funky, fancy Fandangle soaps, you know, the earth crunchy soaps, they don't really clear grease like they say, and I find a lot of those full of grease. I'm not going to say names for those companies, but stick with the Dawn dish detergent. Run plenty of lukewarm water. If you have a dishwasher, make sure to at least once a week fill the sink with warm water and some Dawn and just flush your pipes out, because your dishwasher isn't producing enough volume to flush your kitchen sink drain out with enough water to move grease, solids, or anything out. Garbage disposals, make sure you run plenty of water when you're running your vegetable peels or anything else. I mean, honestly, you should just put them right into the trash can with those things, because it's just going to swell up in the pipe. A lot of the things that you don't see with your kitchen sinks is you can have sags building up in the pipe and you can have grease. Oh, I know, you don't flush grease, but trust me, there's no way to catch it all. And grease will accumulate like our arteries and then finally stop and we're done, just like the kitchen sink. And then you got to call the professionals and to clean it. So like in the video that I had done, the one I just did, whatever, I don't even know what I'm saying now, but that one was a sagged and it was full of grease, and it was a garbage disposal, and it was a dishwasher, and insufficient amount of water being through there. So we sent our chains through with a flex shaft, and we got that thing all buzzed open, ran multiple 5 or 6 fillings of the sinks and drained it, just like on one of the shots in the video to show that it's draining and going down. If you notice, there was some soap residue in there, so the first one we sent soap in there to really slicken the pipe up. So that's something that you're going to want to do, is you're going to want to keep enough water flowing through those pipes at least once a week. At least once a week. Fill that sink, drain it with some dish detergent. Remember, none of that earth crunchy soap, because it doesn't really work. It'll say defeats grease. Trust me, I'm a professional. You see what I do? Those lines are so full of grease, it's insane. I don't even know how the pipes run. So just regular cheap blue Dawn dish detergent. And if you buy the cheap dollar stuff from the dollar store, you're asking for trouble, because that's just basically watered down. Spend the $3, buy Dawn. It's a lot better for keeping your drains flooding. So make sure you run enough water. Don't throw so much scraps down inside the sinks. If you run your garbage disposal, plenty of water, some soap. If you have a dishwasher, make sure that you don't put the plates in there dirty with a bunch of food in there. Scrape it out into the trash. And then, like I said, at least once a week, fill that sink and let it drain. And your kitchen sink will run a lot longer. All right, this is Rod from Mount Washington Sewer and Drain Cleaning. We keep New Hampshire flowing, and hopefully a little bit of those common sense tips will keep you flowing. Have a good day. Always remember, beep, beep, we keep New Hampshire flowing.